Hi friends, welcome to our channel Today Solution. Today our topic is 5S। जैसा कि आप सभी ने सुना होगा 5S वर्ड के बारे में, कंपनियों में आजकल ये है बहुत पॉपुलर है। ये 5 वर्ड जो जैपनीज़ कल्चर से निकल के आए हुए हैं, इन वर्ड्स का बहुत अधिक महत्व है कंपनीज़ में, हमारे घर पर, हमारे वर्क कल्चर में, हमारी सोसाइटी में, एवरीवेयर। सो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, इस टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप इसको लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करें, और आई होप यू लर्न टू मच थिंग्स फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस टॉपिक 5S। व्हाट इज़ 5S? A method of creating a clean and orderly workplace that expose waste and makes abnormalities immediately visible. Organizing of 5S. How to organize this? It start in Japan when the owner of Toyota and his son with their chief engineer developed the Toyota Production System (TPS). It is called 5S simply because of the 5 Japanese words that start with the letter S: Siri, Siton, Shiso, Shiketsu, Shiketsuke. Henry Ford can do principle: cleanup, arranging, neatness, discipline, ongoing improvement. What can 5S do? Improve profit, quality and safety, reduce waste time and material, improve shift startup time, improves efficiency and morale of worker, reduce maintenance and downtime, simplify the work environment. Who can do 5S? Housewife, carpenter, machine operator, nurse, office staff, manager, and you. Why 5S? Impact of safety. As you see this picture, help us identify the eliminate waste, low cost and high impact, gets everyone involved. The 5S pillar: Siri, Siton, Shiso, Shiketsu, Shiketsuke. Siri or short: clean up, get rid of the thing we don't need or use. Siton or set in order: organize. Siton: once we clean up all the items we don't need, we need to organize the stand up what was left. This thing you see in dashboard, everything is arranged and simply identify. Shiso: clean and solve. Daily follow-up cleaning is necessary to sustain improvements. Shiketsu or standardize: used to maintain the first 3 steps. Focus on creating a consistent approach with tasks and produce are performed. Shiketsuke or sustain: self-discipline. Make a habit of properly maintaining correct procedure. Thank you. I hope you learn and like. Please share this video. Thank you very much.